新年到了，我祝朋友和家人们新年快乐，身体健康，心想事成，阖家欢乐。Hey everyone, welcome to LingLing Mandarin. 大家好，我是LingLing。今天是1月1号，我祝大家新年快乐。Today in my video, I'm going to teach you 6 most commonly used Chinese wishful idioms you can use either for the New Year or for any other festivals, including birthdays. This kind of wishful idioms are normally come up with 4 characters. They are also part of the Chinese idiom collections, and they are all very practical expressions you can use for anyone, your friends, your family, or your colleagues. After this lesson, you will be able to form wonderful expressions in Chinese. Firstly, let's learn how to say New Year's Day in Chinese. 元旦节 Yuan in this context means the original. 旦 means the rising sun. So 元旦 means the original rising sun. 节 means festival. That's why 元旦节 it means the New Year's Day in Chinese. That's why today we also say 元旦节快乐 Happy New Year's Day. And of course, the most common way to greet in the new year is 新年快乐 新 means new, 年 means year. So 新年 means new year, and 快乐 means happy. So 新年快乐 Happy New Year. And this phrase is very useful because you can use this phrase for today, the New Year's Day. You can also use this phrase for the Chinese New Year's Day next month. Number 2, 身体健康身体健康身体 means body or health. 健康 means healthy. So 身体健康 means we should stay healthy. This phrase is very popular to use in China regardless of gender or age, because stay healthy, have a healthy body is always the most important, especially in these days. Number 3, 心想事成 If you know your family or friends have a goal or a wish for the new year, then you can wish them 心想事成心想事成心 means heart, 想means thinking, 事 means things, 成 means success. So 心想事成 means wish your wishes come true. And if you just want to wish people all the very best, regardless of the work or their goal or their wishes, then you can use the number 4, 万事如意 万 means 10,000, 事 things, 如意 is a phrase following your heart. So 万事如意 it means wish you all the very best. And of course, sometimes we know that work can be a headache both for us or for our friends and families. So in that case, you will want to wish them number 5, 工作顺利工作顺利工作 means work. 顺利 means goes smoothly. So 工作顺利 it means wish your job goes well. And if you want to send wishes not just to an individual but also to his or her families, you just want to wish them all the happiness with the family, then you can use number 6, 阖家欢乐阖家 means the whole family. 欢乐 means joy. So 阖家欢乐 means wish you have great joy with family. And in China, no matter in the New Year or any other festivals, we normally will send people text messages or WeChat messages by using this kind of wishful idioms. Now I will show you 2 examples of wishful messages you can send to people you care during this kind of festivals. Number 1, for friends and family. 新年到了，我祝朋友和家人们新年快乐，身体健康，心想事成，阖家欢乐。新年到了，我祝朋友和家人们新年快乐，身体健康，心想事成，阖家欢乐。Number 2, for colleagues or working partners. 元旦节快乐，我祝同事们在新的一年里工作顺利，身体健康，万事如意。元旦节快乐，我祝同事们在新的一年里工作顺利，身体健康，万事如意。So these are the total 6 wishful idioms you can use to wish people well in all sorts of festivals, birthdays, or events. I wonder if you have memorized all of them, and I wonder which one is your favorite. For me, 万事如意 is definitely my favorite because wish you all the very best. You can use for all sorts of things. If you already know which one is your favorite, let me know by leaving it in the comment below. Thank you for watching. I hope you have enjoyed my content. If you like it, remember to give me a thumbs up and remember to subscribe. I will see you next time. 再见。